Ugh, you smell like an expired carton of eggnog had a secondary mutation. I'll save you the back issue nosedive and just say this. Never surprise Wolverine with a back rub. Not even on his birthday. Flash forward to now. So, what's your name anyway? So tell me, nerd, what movies are we looking for continuity errors in tonight? I had a body when I came in here. It cost how much? I know a guy who can get you 3 heads for that much. What is thy bidding, mouth master? Okay, let's see what else this app can do. Chimichanga! Fart button. You are soup. Cheese! Selfie! So help me, Bob. I'm in your litter box. Breaking news, man-sized homunculus plays with superhero toys. I've known Colossus since he was a wee anvil. Hey, do you think maybe we could go out? Like catch a movie, grab a bite, maybe set a laundromat on fire? Tiger shark bit it clean off. I was saving Ronaldo from a body surfing accident.